Hey everybody, welcome back to the Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz, Jackie Lighter still at Lake Jackson, and this one's coming from my little shitty apartment. We're getting used to it now. So, I made the marinated pork chops the other day, dressed it with a little bit of rice, had some rice left over, so I'm going to show you what you can do with that. Make it excellent and badass dessert, man. Before we get into it, be sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, get the little bell because we're doing a new schedule, so ring the little bell so you know when this is up, usually on Tuesdays, Fridays, but who knows. Also, link down the merch down the doobly-doo, aprons and the whatnot. You know how this goes. Let's just get into the food. This stuff is good. Shameless plug over. Alright, so this is going to be relatively simple. You're going to need rice, 2 cups of it, right? That's cooked stuff. If you need a link, it's down in the doobly-doo. Going to need some vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of that stuff. You're going to need some sugar, which is 3 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon. 2 cups of milk, which is weird, just regular old milk. You're going to need some salt, which is just 1/8 of a teaspoon. That's it. Now, that's all you need for that. Now, if you want to dress it with stuff, Cool Whip is great. Or if you want to make English toffee stuff, you're going to need some toasted coconut flakes, semi-sweet chocolate things, and some actual toffee chips, right? So, scene missing. I screwed up, and this is where I already put in 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of the rice, and then 3 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Scene missing, I'm sorry. Then add your salt, that 1/8 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just go ahead and put that in there. That's what makes it awesome, from what I understand. Go ahead and put your heat up to about medium high. You want to bring this to a boil. Don't just let it sit there. Be sure to stir it. You want to stir it pretty constantly because you don't want to scorch it on the bottom. This doesn't take too long. I do 2 or 3 minutes at the most. Just stir until it's thickened. Like I said, 2 or 3 minutes is really what it cooked me once it got warm. See how it's starting to get warm here, and then you'll see when it thickens. Again, 2 or 3 minutes. This does not take long. Be sure to. I don't know why Borg stuck her hands in there. She's just making fun of the screen, I guess. So once this gets thick, turn it off. Set it to the side, and you're good. Rice pudding. I always thought this was some kind of witchcraft thing that somebody did. I did not know it was this simple. Again, this is making its way into my regular rotation. You can dress it like that. You're good for rice pudding right there. But if you want to make the English toffee rice thing, you want to add 3 tablespoons of each of these. There's semi-sweet chocolate chips here. I'd like to try it with like some white chocolate stuff just because that's my jam. But yeah, so add that, and then your toffee chips. Like, we can only find the Heath name brand stuff because we're super fancy like that. But with the rice being left over and everything else being super cheap, we can afford the name brand stuff, even though it doesn't want to stand up on camera. And then your toasted coconut. Toasted coconut was really good. I like the regular stuff, but this toasted stuff turned out really well. So take that, mix it in. You don't even have to mix it up, just you can kind of stir it if you want, but you're going to have to stir it once you put it in the rice pudding, so just boop, right in there. I can tell you right now, Borg's behind me trying not to laugh hysterically because she thought I was going to just kind of sprinkle it in. But once you get it in there, give it a decent stir, especially since it's warm. The semi-sweet and those toffee pieces will start to melt, man, and this is good. I don't think it's healthy at all. I mean, it's mostly milk and chocolate and toffee in this one, and the other one's, I guess, rice and stuff. Bad rice pudding, but it is so good. This stuff is great. I've always heard about it, and I tried it before, and again, thought it was witchcraft. It's well under our $10, even with the extra English toffee pieces and the chocolate and stuff. Well under our stuff, and made enough with just 2 cups of rice and 2 cups of milk to do this for at least 3 people. So try this stuff out. Let me know how it comes out, man. This stuff is so good. I tried to do it as a dessert, but if I eat it after something, I'm just so full. So yeah, just look at me funny because I'm going to just eat it by itself. Just blow everybody's minds and have dessert first. And there you have it, folks. A way to make dessert with some leftover rice, or you can just cook the rice and do it yourself if you want. Whatever. If you do it differently, you want to see us do it differently, put it down in the comments, man. That's what they're there for. You can also find us on social media and let us know over there. Find us on Facebook, Pinterest, Patreon. You can find us all those at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. Or you can also find us at Instagram at Living Between. We had to shorten it over there. I'm just going to get out of here, man. I'll catch y'all next time. This rice pudding too good, man. Oh, I'm getting fat making this show. This is rough.